In this question it says the numerator of a fraction is 1 less than the denominator. When both numerator and denominator are increased by 2, the fraction is increased by 1 by 12. We need to find the original fraction. So let the numerator be y and the denominator be x. So we can call this fraction as y by x. According to the question, the numerator is 1 less than the denominator. So if the denominator is x, we can say y is x minus 1. So instead of writing y by x, we can also write x minus 1 by x. And this is the original fraction. It also says that if both the numerator and denominator are increased by 2, the fraction is increased by 1 by 12. So you need to understand this bit carefully. It doesn't say that it equals to 1 by 12. It says that by adding 2 to both the numerator and denominator, the fraction is increased by 1 by 12. So first let's add the 2 to both the numerator and denominator. So the numerator is x minus 1 plus 2 and the denominator is just x plus 2. And then we simplify it, it becomes x plus 1 by x plus 2. This is the value when it is increased by 2. Again, according to the question, if it is increased by 2, the fraction becomes 1 by 12. So the increased version, which is x plus 1 by x plus 2, if we then minus x minus 1 by x, we get 1 by 12. So this is the value which can only be possible if we subtract the original fraction from the fraction which happens if it is increased by 2. So then we simplify it and we get to the point where x is either 4 or minus 6. When x is equal to 4, the original fraction has to be 3 by 4 because the original fraction was x minus 1 by x. So if x is 4, that means 4 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. Also, if we use the value minus 6, we get minus 6 minus 1 and minus 6. So minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7 divided by minus 6, or you can say it's 7 by 6. The answer is 3 by 4 and not 7 by 6. The reason is we need to check whether if both of these are increased by 2, both of the numerators and both of the denominators are increased by 2, and then if we subtract the original fraction, will it give the result 1 by 12 or not? So let's first do this bit, which is 7 by 6. 7 by 6 is the option. If we use the value of x as minus 6, then we get the fraction which is 7 by 6. If we raise both the numerator and denominator by 2, it becomes 9 and 8. So if we subtract 9 by 8 and 7 by 6, we get minus 1 by 24. So this is not equal to the fraction that is given in the question, which is 1 by 12. Now let's try the other one, which is 3 by 4, and this is the fraction we get when we use the value for x, which is 4. So 3 by 4 is the original fraction, and if we increase it by 2, it becomes 5 by 6. And if we subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6, we get 20 minus 18 by 24, or 2 by 24. And if we simplify this one, we get the value which is mentioned in the question, which is 1 by 12. So that means we can only consider this fraction as the value for the answer to this question.